Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. So if you see this message turned on by your network administrator to help hide potential mature videos, if this has been turned on, now I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. This time you can open your YouTube or go to your Google account and then tap on this three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and look for settings. Now under settings, you have to look for privacy and security. Tap on privacy and security. Scroll down again till you see settings. Tap on settings. On settings, you have to scroll down again. And this time you have to look for the advanced option. Now here on the advanced option, what you're going to do next is you have to simply use secure DNS and turn this one on or toggle this one on. Now here's what you're going to do. You have to simply change your DNS to something like Google DNS and also Cloudflare DNS. So you just have to switch from any of this here and then reboot your router and device afterward. You can also try using VPN or check browser extensions or add-ons. And basically, that's how easy it is to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.